Hello, I'm back with a quick tip. Barbecue time. Okay, now, hands up who likes to clean the barbecue after you've used it. I can't see your hands. Ah. So let's make that job a bit easier. Right, not all barbecues are going to be like this, I appreciate that. But every barbecue is going to have a bottom on it. Some sort of thing where you put your charcoal. So, what you get is some tin foil, aluminium foil. And you put it in the bottom. Like that. A nice big bit so it folds up the sides like that. Okay. Then the other side, make sure it's a big bit. Make sure it folds up, there's enough to fold up the sides. That's important. Right. So, now, a question about the aluminium foil, not tin foil as I keep calling it. This is thick stuff. Yeah, there's very different varieties. Get a nice thick one. This one has got a picture of a barbecue on it. It's an aluminium foil. It's all about barbecuing. So, and it's bigger, isn't it? Look, that's a nice piece, isn't it? Normally they're about this big, but get yourself a big one if you can. And so the aluminium foil is thick. Right, so you put your coals in like that, and I do it like this as well. I'll try and get it in like that. So this one here I use just for keeping things warm, and this one for cooking. Because if you put that there and the barbecue on top, the air comes up here and makes it hotter. That one's just for keeping things warm after they're nearly cooked. Anyway, that's not the point of this video. So, yeah, you're having a good time, everything. You'll leave it till tomorrow morning. Okay. So in here, you're going to have, it's going to look like that, but not as neat as that. It's going to be all burnt bits of food lying in there. It's going to be full of ash. Right, we'll tell you what happens is, you're getting closer, cameraman please, to here. Right, what happens is, what you do, in the morning, when it's all nice and cold, no, don't do it when it's hot, you pick up the four corners, like that, and like that, carefully, not spilling what's in there that you want to get rid of. You pick it up, like that. Chuck it in the bin, wallop, job done. And it makes it cleaning up after a barbecue much easier. That's my top tip, quick tip. See you next time.